This project's all about putting into practice the lesson on importing and exporting components from the official React documentation. The main goal is to make your React code more modular by splitting components into separate files and using ES6 export and import syntax to share them. The process started with a deep dive into the React docs, specifically focusing on the differences between default and named exports. They mapped out what you needed to learn, how to organize files, and how to use both default and named exports. Next, they reworked the components. At first, both the gallery and profile were in one file, but to complete a modularity challenge, they split the profile into its own file as a default export. They showed both default exports for a single main component and named exports when exporting multiple things from one file. On the visual side, they upgraded the app file into a dashboard that compares default versus named imports visually. They also polished the styles, adding premium fonts, gradients, and hover effects to make it engaging. Finally, they ensured everything was installed and built properly, verifying that all imports worked. In short, you learn how to organize a React app by splitting components into well-structured files and importing them correctly.